Today we are going to discuss cue card number 20. The topic for today is describe an article you read about healthy living. The cues or the hints are what it was, when you read it, where you read it, and explain what you learned from it. So let's see how we are going to prepare the topic. So it was an article about food and I read it 2 years ago and I read it at a dentist's clinic. So there were many things, and what was the first thing? That there should be colorful plate of fruits, and then that salt dissolves bones, and then 8 hours of sleep in 2 shifts, and it was a very knowledgeable article. So let's see how we are going to prepare the topic. Thank you for the cue card. Our healths have been deteriorating at a rapid rate. Most of the people are becoming obese or they are suffering from one or another health disease. This is just because of the bad lifestyles that we are following and we are not taking care of our food. I happened to read an article about healthy living about 2 years ago when I visited my dentist. I was waiting for my turn and there were a lot of magazines placed over there, and I opened one of the magazines, and while I was scrolling the pages of the magazine, I happened to see this topic and I was really eager and I got just immersed reading the topic because it was very knowledgeable. And all the things written in that were very relatable, and all the things written in that could be followed also. The very first thing that I read was that we should not stick to one fruit, but whenever we are eating fruits, our plate should be full of different colors of fruits. So instead of sticking to just one fruit or eating one banana, one apple or any other fruit at a time, we should eat small portions of fruit at one time by filling our plate with different colors. And it was it was such a thing that I could follow and everybody could follow very easily. And from that very day I started following that, or I tried to follow that for most of the times that I ate fruits. I am fond of eating fruits, but I wasn't aware that our plate should be full of colorful fruits. The second thing and the very important thing that I got to know is that salt as well as lemon dissolves our bones. I used to have lemon and honey water every day thinking that it would control my weight. But when I read that lemon dissolves bones, I was startled and I immediately stopped consumption of honey lemon water and I just switched to consuming honey water. And that brought a lot of change in my body, and it made my skin radiant and it made my skin glow. I felt really good following both of these things. One very important thing that I read was that we should take sleep of 8 hours in 2 different time intervals. All of us have read that a human body needs sleep of 7 to 8 hours every day, but I was not knowing that this sleep of 8 hours should be taken in 2 parts. And when I read that, I was again startled because I wasn't knowing this. I always thought that I was taking proper sleep and I was taking good sleep, but my sleep pattern was not right because I wasn't taking that 8 hours sleep in 2 shifts, but I was taking it in one go like most of us do. But it was very important to take a small nap during daytime and then complete the rest of the sleep in the night time. So all these things I started following just after visiting the dentist's clinic, and it brought tremendous change in my health, in my mental well-being as well as my physical well-being. Thank you.